Sudeep. I'm studying at Pilani, Birla Goa Campus. I'm in my first year of fresher and I'm pursuing mechanical engineering right now. I'm really passionate into technical streams of interdisciplinary subjects. Like for example, right now I'm quite curious about biomechanics and I'm learning something about it. During the registration process, I think I was really interested in my topic, which is quality undergraduate education. So that made the whole thing quite simple for me because I've always thought about how can I make a difference in the system, or see, we all feel okay, there's something wrong, but how can you actually correct it? So I've thought about it for quite a long time, and the hackathon gave me the stage to share my ideas on this specific topic. We think of so many complex ideas which fail half of the time, I would say more than half of the time, at bringing them to life when you really apply them in the real world. So then I actually started changing my thought process as to how do I implement this? If I have this idea and I think, okay, this is where we have to go, this is the thing we have to change, how do you implement that? The implementation became more important. So before hackathon, everything seemed pretty simple. So you have an idea, you just do it, right? So for example, our idea was my idea, quality undergraduate education. So I wanted to focus on how to connect students and what they learn in their classes to what's happening in the real world through industry leaders. That was my idea. Before the hackathon, that was just easy. It was very easy to think about. It was like, okay, fine, what do you have to do? Just go to colleges and just speak to industry leaders, just get them together, everything work out. But then, why would students or professors or institutions be interested in this model? Why would industry leaders want to come and teach undergraduate students? And how many can they teach? How many can they connect to? How will you bring them together? All these things started coming up when you actually think about the implementation. So that's where I realized when you're thinking about a concept, when you're conceptualizing, all these factors also will make the bigger difference. I would actually like to focus and learn more about how the implementation process of these ideas take. That's where I'm really keen. There's a very, very massive difference if you really think about it. A businessman, or if anyone who's interested in business, he's just looking at, say, profits and losses, and where can I make money, where can I, right? But when you think about entrepreneurship, the whole point as to why you're pursuing a company or NGO or whatever it may be, you're pursuing with respect to an idea. That this is my idea, and how can this idea help the world in some way? So you're trying to bring that idea to life. That idea drives you rather than the results. That's the main difference between entrepreneurship and business for me.